Good morning, class. Here is another session in insurance, that is procedure of becoming an agent. How a person become an agent in the insurance company. The Insurance Act 1938 lays down that an insurance agent will be issued a license. Company will issue you license to work as an agent under Section 42 of IRDA Act, right? This Life Insurance Agent Regulation Act 2000 basically amended in 2000. That's why the name of the current act is Life Licensing of Insurance Agent Regulation Act 2000. Section 3 define how agent can get the license. They have to renew their license time to time. Without license, they can't do anything, right? The major qualification to become an agent, insurance agent are: first, major. Understand, na? On your screen there is a point major. Major means person must be having at least 18 year of age, not less than that, not eligible to make any contract, because this is the main reason, because agent is responsible for so many things and minors can't be responsible for anything. Then we have sound mind. Person should be of sound mind, not insane, not idiot or something. He should have proper mental ability, right? Not disqualified by the law, not convicted by the court or any law, your own country's law, or we can say any foreign law. Certificate of insurance salesmanship. He must have the certificate of insurance salesmanship. Obviously, that certificate he will get after passing exam, right? That exam is basically conducted by IRDA, right? Then he should be plus two or equivalent qualification, means plus two or more than plus two is the qualification which is required for a person who want to become an agent. Okay, if suppose he is appointed in a place like where the population is less than 5,000 or something, 5,000, in that case even 10 certificate is also eligible. But nowadays they required plus two certificate of yours if you want to enter into it. Okay, and very important thing is you must have 150 hours training from as an agent. Okay, that is practical training, that is very much required for life insurance as well as for general insurance. And then person should have passed a pre, in the practical training, person should have passed pre-recruitment examination that is conducted by, I had already discussed, by IRDA. Similarly, these are the qualification. There are some disqualification which are mentioned in this act. They are: person if the person is unsound mind, disqualified. If the person is guilty, disqualified. If he breached any contract or he indulged in criminal activities, in that case can't be agent. Okay, cheating case, misappropriation case, forgery case, or any type of case which is against the law, he can't be a agent. He cannot pursue as an agent. Then we have the procedure for getting insurance license, right? If you want to get the license of insurance under Insurance Act 1938, section 42 of the act by IRDA, in that case, following procedure the person should adopt. First of all, filling the form. Filling the form means the person have to fill the form for getting the insurance license. There are two separate forms, one for individual and one for another for those who are other than individual, in which applicants for the license are to be, applicant for the license are to be required, not applicant only, applicants, more than one person required. Two forms are available: IRDA agent VC form and IRDA agents VA form. The application basically, these particular forms are very much available with the designated person. That person, you have to fill the form and attach certain document with it. Then we have other conditions to fulfill, and Only form filling is not required, but you have to fill certain conditions, like you have to show your proof of attach a proof of age, that is your 10th certificate or birth certificate. Proof of qualification means plus 2 and more than plus 2, if you have all the mark sheet and all, now you have to attach. Proof of having completed the training, you have to attach. Proof of fee having deposited to the authorities or to the insurance corporation, you have to attach, right? Then other important terms associated with that insurance. First is procedure of renewal of the license. Once you get the license, in the last presentation, in the last slide, we know that the filling the form and other conditions to be fulfilled, he will get the license. But if you want to renew the license, in that case, applicant for the renewal of the license must be sent at least 30 days before the expiry of the license, because license has some expiry, say 15-year or sometime 5-year, depend upon which type of insurance agent you are, and you have to deposit a fee which is prescribed by the authority. In case you are late, in that case you have to pay some penalty for the same. When applicant is made after the application is made after the expiry of the date, normally refused, okay, then you have to like again go for the same procedure. Agent should have completed at least 25 hours of practical training in case of life insurance and 50 hours of training in general insurance, right? Then you will get the license again, because you have to renew the license now. If you have a license of 14 year earlier, so you want to renew for a further 5 years, so you go for the renewal fees and all the documents. Then we have termination of agency. How the agency is terminated: cancellation or non-renewal of the license. Okay, if your license not renewed, in that case your agency terminated. The agent acquiring any of the following, any of the disqualification, like permanent incapacity to do any contract, and criminal, any criminal offense done by the agent, criminal breach of trust, cheating or forgery, in all the cases your agency terminated. Then for non-performance of minimum business, say in case of life insurance, they fixed actually 12 cases in a year. If you not met that condition, automatically your agency terminated, right? Any violation of any code of conduct, if some code of conduct is decided ki agent do this thing, that thing, if not performed, then automatically that is agency terminated. Then we then next is rule for the existing insurance agent. Rules are like first is qualification of the applicant, means rules shall not apply to existing agent before the commencement of these rules. Means you must have qualification, you must have practical training, you must have examination, you gave your exam for the same. In that case you can do the things only. But for the existing agents, there is no need of anything, because already your proof of age is submitted, qualification is submitted, training is submitted. If time to time they offer you some trainings, you have to attend those trainings, right? And you perform your examination is only in case of the new agent, huh? Then we have code of conduct for insurance agent. Under Insurance Agent Regulation Act 2000, there are some, conducts which are required. Disclose his license to the party if they demand. Identify yourself and the insurance company from to whom you belongs to, right? Because if you belong to Life Insurance Corporation of India, you have to disclose it. If you belongs to ICICI Prudential, then you have to. If you belongs to HDFC Insurance, and even then you must have some card or something, right? Explain all the available options available, huh? And tell them exactly the amount of premium, which table you follow. Explain everything: nomination, assignment related with information, adverse and favorable impact, huh? Inform the person if the policy means your proposal is rejected, you inform the party and return the money to that person. And to obtain the all important documents which are required from the insurer, you insured, from insured, in that case you have to collect and deposit. In case of claim, you try to fill all the primary information in a claimant form and then give the money to them. No insurance agent should do acts like behave in a not like a foolish person, not like a clever person, not do forceful things, etc., and not do any business which is prohibited in insurance business. Okay, not befool the person. And then unfair trade practices. Okay, under Insurance Agent Regulation Act 2000, the following acts come under unfair practice. No agent shall allow or offer to allow, either directly or indirectly, and to any person for procuring insurance business. Insurance agent will not favor with insured. Huh? And act against the Insurance Act comes under unfair trade practice. Means you not try to fool the insurance company and for your own benefit, the wrong information you signed on, wrong information, you don't have any proof. You, if you do all such acts which actually try to harm the insurance principles, in that case that will harm you, and that will automatically your agency will be terminated. Thank you.